If your Honda CRV just sits there when you try remote start, don't panic. There are simple reasons and simple fixes. Let's figure it out together. First, check if your CRV is locked. The remote start won't work unless the doors are locked. Next, look at your key fob battery. If it's weak or dead, the signal may not reach your car. Try swapping in a fresh battery. Also, your CRV needs to be in park and all doors, hood, and trunk must be shut tight. Even a slightly open door can stop the system. Make sure your car isn't low on fuel or has a check engine light on. Both can cancel remote start. If your climate control is set to defrost, some models block remote start for safety. Try switching the settings and try again. Finally, if it's cold out, double-check that you're pressing the remote start button the right way. Usually press the lock button first, then hold remote start. If you've tried all this and still nothing, your car's system might need a reset, or there could be a deeper issue. Check your manual, or call your Honda dealer for help. Remote start is super handy. Don't let a simple fix keep you from using it. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.